Let's start with homework. Students often think that homework is designed to give you practice at a concept, but that's not its purpose. Homework is designed to give you exposure, to show you the variety of different ways that you can handle problems using the topics that you have been taught. That means that if you skip homework problems, you are essentially skipping weeks worth of review that you normally would have gotten in high school. Similarly, that means that if you're not taking notes on your homework, you are missing the equivalent of weeks worth of notes from high school. When it comes time for the test, many students ask their instructors for study guides, but this is just an indicator that the student hasn't been preparing themselves along the way. Now, don't get me wrong, if your instructor does give you a study guide, definitely use it, but you have the ability to make your own study guide as well. As you do your homework problems each week, write down certain examples that you want to remember, that you think are important from the material, and explain to your future self how to do them in your own words. Then, when it comes time for the test, you can simply review all of these different solution guides that you have created, and you can make from them your own study guide. You want to be careful not to use too much time to do your homework. In truth, homework should take about as much time as you're in class, maybe a little more. So that means if you're in class for 3 hours a week in a 3-credit-hour course, you want to be spending about 3 to maybe 4.5 hours a week completing your homework. If it's taking you longer than this, then you really want to go seek out help from office hours or from your TAs.